Hey, it's Terry. I want to tell you about one time I felt really protected. If you like these kinds of videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you feel like it. This goes back a few years. I was in Tenerife, a Canary island, driving a motorcycle down from the island Teide, going down to the coastline, stopped at a cafe where you can sit and watch the view of the ocean on the way down from the mountain. Parked my bike outside the cafe, went in, had a coffee, sat there thinking about life, and suddenly a person comes up to me. And he points at a helmet, and he says, motorcycle. Oh, okay, so I need to move my bike, I thought, because I parked it quite close to the entrance. So I walk out to the entrance and I start moving the bike, and he says, no. And he's pointing to the parking lot. And I was like, what? I didn't know this guy, of course. He didn't speak any English, but he looked friendly enough. So I put my bike down and walked with him to his car. And he was pointing to the car. And what are you doing, man? And come, he said. No, I'm not getting in that car with you. I don't know you. I have no idea what's going on. And then he opened the boot of the car. And he's pointing inside the boot. I said, what is going on? And some other people came. And they looked really friendly, as like a middle-aged Spanish family, right? And pointing in the boot of the car. And what? And I looked in the boot, and there were my saddlebags from my bike. And what? Have you taken my saddlebags? I had everything in them, my passport, everything was in there. Did you steal my saddlebags and put them in the boot of your car? What's going on? What is going on? And then a woman came, started speaking English. We were driving down from the mountain, and we saw by the road there were saddlebags just lying there. And they continued down, and they saw a motorcycle parked near the entrance of a cafe and thought, let's go in and see if this is his or her saddlebags. What? And they had fallen off. There was a little bumpy road. And my clothes and my passport and a lot of valuable stuff was in there. I didn't notice at all. What? So I felt really protected. And for those guys to stop, just see, how many motorcycles are there on Tenerife? Yeah. So I felt really protected that time. See ya.